Assured Locksmiths and Security Solutions, keeping your belongings, vehicles, residential and commercial properties secure for over a decade. Our tailored solutions include 24-hour mobile workshops, re-keying, key duplication, boom gates, fire safety, master key systems, security gates and doors, access control systems, security cameras and alarm systems. Your safety and peace of mind is our priority, and we deliver what we promise: cost-effective solutions with products of the highest quality. Our fleet of mobile workshops operates 24/7 with industry-qualified technicians ready to make your home or business more secure. Be assured, contact us for a free security appraisal.